and welcome to the ZenCoin tutorial. And in this tutorial today we are going to be considering more of the features of ZenCoin that you need to know at the basic level so that you'll be able to navigate and your way through the app and play your games, get your coins, and prepare for the airdrop. Alright, so to get started with ZenCoin, first you need a link. Check in the description of this video and you'll get a link to get started. And then you can also join my Telegram channel where you'll be receiving regular support and updates. Now, the combo cards for Zen, we drop it daily on my Telegram channel and you want to be getting them because the combo cards daily, when you fix them on a daily basis, you receive extra 5 million coins. So you'll be getting it in my Telegram channel. So you want to get links in the description of this video. Alright, so just tap below this video, the text below the video, you see the links both for you to join ZenCoin and start playing the game and for you to join my Telegram channel. So today we are going to be looking at the following features. We'll be looking at earn per tap, and then we'll be looking at the tap reward, and then we'll be looking at the earn section. Now, as I tapped on the tap reward, it brought us here. Okay, but I'm going to go back there to show you again. You can actually enter there. Either you tap here, you come straight to this place, or you come here, the earn section, tap here, and then you see tap rewards here. It still brings you here. Okay, so we're going to be talking about that, but first let's start also with the tap. Now when you talk about tap reward, you tap. The tap reward comes from tapping, and now you can see combo hits. All of this tapping is important. So earn per tap is, you can see that I'm on plus 13 per tap. All right, so to increase your earn per tap, all you just need to go to the boost section, and here you see boosters. You see tap earnings upgrade. So if I pay 4.09 million now, almost 4.1 million from my 57 million here now, I'll be upgraded to 14 plus 14 per tap. The energy cap upgrade, if I pay another almost 4.1 million, I'll enter level 14 rather. So if you look at this now, you see that my energy cap level is at 6.5 now. You can see it here. So I'm going to increase it to 7,000 right now, and my earn per tap to plus 14. So let's do it right away. So, and that's, you use your coin balance to do that. So that's also helped me to have more to work with. So I've paid that. Okay, so let me do the second one. All right, so I've dealt with earn per tap and energy cap upgrade. Okay, so I tap on tap here, tap on the tap box, which is the wooden, this is the wooden fish. Okay, so you can see now I'm on 7,000 and my earn per tap is now plus 14. Good. So let's go to the, let's tap here now. You can see here the tap reward. If you look at here, you can see 200k over 200k. I achieved this already since last night, but I wanted to teach you, so that's why I have to leave it so I can show you. So once you achieve this and it is full, showing like this, so you can now tap here. Like I said, you can also enter that through the earn section. So when you come here now, see what it will show you. You are going to be tapping each of these envelopes, and the one you get, you win. Now, let's go back to the earn section so that you can see some message. So let's tap on the earn section here. You go to tap rewards. So now, on the tap reward here now, see the message. See, I'm going to be earning between 20k to 40k by the time I open those envelopes. So the minimum I'll earn here is 20k. The highest I can earn is 40k. So the earlier ones, I've already achieved all of these. One can see that claimed. So I'm going to claim this now. Already, I am on my way to even claim the second one, because the second one is 300k taps. So I'm already on 235.55k. You get it? The other one here is 400k taps and other. So you keep tapping and tapping. So that's why we are encouraging you to always come to tap. Okay? I hope you understand that. So tapping is very cool. All right, and the tapping is very easy and soft. All right, so let's go now. I now go down to claim. So what you do now, if it appears, if I match this top 3 gold buttons, gold coins here, I'll get 40k. If I mark the silver, I'll get large reward, maybe 15k, I mean 25k or 30k. Then if I get the small one, I get 20k. So that's what I'll get. So let's start. Where do I start? Let me open this one first. Silver. Let me open this. Silver again. Let me open this. Gold. Let me open this. Bronze. Let me open this. Bronze again. Ooh, silver. So I got silver, right? So now I could decide to share this. I got a large reward of 30k. Cool. Added to my coin balances. So it wants me to share. If I share it, see, if I share this, this is going to be doubled. So, you know, that they encourage you to bring in your friends. So I just finished sharing. So let me check and claim it. So I've claimed 30k, 60k. Now you can see 60k is there now. So that's what I've claimed. So this one now, you can see here that if you see here, if you tap here, it won't take you there because it's not full. So it's 236k out of 300k. So just keep tapping. Now, boost here now. I've exhausted all my boosts for today. So I have to wait till the next day. All right. So next thing I want to show us is under N now. So under N, we're going to tax. So in the tax, every day, make sure you check in to get your daily reward. Like I've got mine for today. Let it open. I've got mine for today. So you come back tomorrow. Always come. If you miss a day, it will reset to day one. So let's go. The next one there is your daily share. Daily share for me is 100k here. I don't know how much yours will be, but I think it's 100k flat. So you just share again, but I've shared already. So when you share, you get 100k. Okay, so you're gathering coins, and you will need those coins. I'm going to show you how you need the coins. So next is this daily check-in. This daily check-in, you actually will need it. You may do it, you may not do it. If you have ZenCoin, in your Telegram wallet, you can do this. Now, what happens here is that they are going to be taking 0.002 ton. All right. So what they do, they collect they will receive 0.008 ton from your wallet, and then immediately send back 0.006. I did it the first time without knowing. Did it second, so I had to go check my balances, and I saw that. Actually, when I was doing it, I saw that. So I don't know what it is for. All right. So you may want to leave it out for now, because I'm going to investigate it to really see whether I should continue with it or not. What is it? What will I gain? Because what you gain here is 1 million coins. All right. And these coins for now mean nothing until you get the airdrop. Do you understand? But getting the coins is cool because it's going to help you to actually build your way towards the airdrop. Now, okay, I think this could be for NFT. I don't know, because I remember that I saw an NFT on my account yesterday. Maybe it's because of this, but let's go. Now, if I see a second one, that means it may be what it is for. Okay, so let's go. Now, let's continue. I'll go to that now. So here are other tasks you need to carry out. Like here now, this one now, I want to encourage you to watch these YouTube videos. There's no code to getting them. What just happens here is that as soon as these videos are even less than 1 minute videos, so they could even qualify for a short, but then they are not uploaded as shorts. So you just allow the video play to the end, and you come back and check. And so as soon as you finish playing, just tap to go back on YouTube, and then you are back here to check it. All right. For example, if I tap on this, you tap on watch video, okay, and then it will take you there. Once you finish watching, just tap to go back, and it will bring you back here to check it. Okay. So if you have any issues, let me know in the comments. Okay. So just get them. Then the next one, the Coco one, the special tax here. This one now is boost channel. You can help boost the channel if you're on premium. Do all these ones, but see the main one, this airdrop hub, join them, but see the main one that actually could give you an issue which you want to deal with. This one, BingX Web3 campaign. BingX is an exchange where you can trade crypto. All right, and I have a special tutorial, unique tutorial on BingX. Okay, you watch it. Perhaps may leave a link in the description of this video or in the comments. I may pin it there. if there's need. But then BingX, so you can join BingX. So now, if you tap on Go to enter the BingX website to register, the web, it will be showing you error, not found. I think there is maybe about IP thing. So what I did to fix it, because if you tap on Go now, yours, it will bring you here, no doubt, but it will not open. But watch out that mine will open. Now, there is what I after for several days I've been trying that, so you can see that mine is open to sign up. Now, the reason it wasn't opening, I think it's an IP issue. So what I did is that currently, if you notice now, I am using an IP. I'm using a VPN rather. So now I first set the VPN to Amsterdam, and it told me that the IP is blocked. It blocked the IP and didn't allow me to use it. So I had to switch to Norway. So I used Norway. And after that, of course, I did verification. So in the tutorial on BingX, I'll take you through the process of even verifying your account on BingX. So you collect your UID. So collect your BingX UID. So after that, I'm going to now come back here and enter my BingX UID, which I have already collected. Okay, so because I've signed up already, so I'll just collect my BingX USD and impute here. Okay, so and my BingX USD, let me quickly impute it to 5831652. Okay, so that's my BingX USD. What's happening? Okay, 25831,652. So I'll now save it. Okay, so that's my BingX USD. Now I'm going to claim 10 million from this. You can see that's all checked green for me. So I'll claim 10 million. So you just do that and you claim that now you are ready to receive free BTC with that. So I'm ready for this. Okay, this is the additional 10 million have been added. So at the end of the day, I can now let's now go here. I look at there was, where did I go? Okay, let's come back here and let me see if I'll find. Okay, so the next thing, okay, let's go back to N. I saw, okay, it's not this, it's not here. This is not where I got the NFT. Sorry, it's not on this app, it's on Cat ID Pulse. Okay. All right, so these are the things you need to know and do. Okay, so just do your tapping, because each time you tap, you are heading towards a new milestone. And take this game serious. Yes, by the time you go around the game, you see things that will make you to realize your need for meditation. Yes, and you want to always meditate. So check our Telegram channel. You see the daily combo for today, for this day, but as at the day of recording this is on the 3rd of September. So if you're watching it today, 3rd September, these are the combo cards for today, already uploaded on our Telegram channel. So I'll just carefully show you through our Telegram channel so you can see some of the combos that you may not want to hop in to quickly grab. So here at my Telegram channel now, you can see the ZenCoin daily combo for the 3rd of September. You can see that under Holy Nothing is there. Under Tools you have Painting. Under GEMZ you have Lapis Lazuli and Gold Tiger's Eye. So that's it. So if you scroll up, you see other combos. This one is Easter eggs for Rocky Rabbits for the 3rd of September. And go up there. This one is the Memphis combo hits for 3rd September. And then this is the Tap Coins daily bounty for 3rd of September. And then this is Oxygen daily combo for 3rd September. And this is GEMZ daily combo for 3rd September. And you want to also just come to this to my channel here, get the link in the description, come here and you really explore and get a lot. You also can receive daily trading signals for crypto, gold, and other assets right here on this channel. And of course, you get them for free. All right, so let's wrap up this. So when you are doing the daily combo, quickly, there are some cards that may require upgrading, particularly when you come to the gem section to deal with the particularly the gold tiger's eye and the lapis lazuli. Some of the cards like amethyst may require upgrade if you have not upgraded already. So go ahead and fix this and start enjoying the game. I hope you got value from this. Remember to subscribe, like, share the video, and smash the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. I want to see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you. Oh, remember to leave a comment also. Anything that's not clear to you, leave a comment. All right? See you in the next video. God bless you.